Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate using Tablea. First, gather your ingredients: Tablea, water or milk, and sugar. This traditional Filipino chocolate is perfect for a warm, comforting drink. We'll walk through each step to ensure you get a delicious, rich cup every time. It's a simple process that yields fantastic results, perfect for any time of day. To begin, make sure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. You'll need about 2 to 3 pieces of pure Tablea, which are unsweetened chocolate tablets. Also, prepare 2 cups of water or whole milk, depending on your preference for creaminess. Don't forget 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, adjustable to your desired sweetness. A saucepan and a whisk will be your best friends for this recipe. Now let's get cooking. Pour your 2 cups of water or milk into a saucepan and add the 2 to 3 pieces of Tablea. Place the pan over a medium-low flame. As the liquid warms, begin to whisk continuously. This helps the Tablea melt evenly and prevents it from sticking. Keep whisking vigorously until the chocolate is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Then, stir in your sugar. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly smooth and sweet, it's time to serve. Carefully pour the warm, aromatic drink into your favorite mug. For an extra special treat, you can top it with a dollop of whipped cream or a few fluffy marshmallows. Feel free to customize it further with a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your delicious, homemade Tablea hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.